Hello everyone, I thought I'd try one of these pieces to camera. I'm replacing some of the pipes on my Heinrici. I don't have a flarer, so I'm having to use screwdrivers to make a flared piece. A bit of a bodge job, but it does just about work for what I need. There we go. So as you can see, just using a screwdriver to flare this pipe a little bit so I can get it over another pipe of a water pump. Have a look, see what we're doing in a sec. This engine I'm working on, as you can see, I've already done the front pipe, remade it a bit nicer pipe with nicer bends rather than me trying to hand bend it. I managed to find my 10mm pipe bender in my tools. So let's see if I can get this one made. I'm throwing with a pipe flaring kit, 2 screwdrivers. That sort of fits in a lot. You can see what I'm trying to do here. Hopefully it will have no leaks. So that's what I was looking now. Let's see if I can solder it up. Wish me luck. That's an ugly bit of solder, but hopefully it holds. So that's the new pipework in. See, I got a tank connector I need to sort out here, but it could do with a better tank. That's just one I've borrowed from another engine. That's currently in bits. I think it's a lot neater looking. So let's see if it's heated up enough now. Yeah, plenty. And we got water pumping. Let's knock this gas down a bit. It's going a bit fast. But no leaks on my bodge job of a weld with a solder. I keep calling it a weld for some reason. I have to clean that bit of stainless off. Well, there she is pumping. Just about pumping. You want to rely on it for your household water, would you? But it ain't bad for a few minutes work. I think it agrees a lot neater looking now from the side. Well, I think the chocolate's been done. That'll do for today. Cheers all. Cheers.